Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right. Today is currently Saturday. It's been exactly 1 week since I got this car. Yeah. 319 miles on the dash, on the odometer. Starting the auto. Popping the hood. Oh, I love Rain Man. Anyways, I am kind of thirsty. Backing up the auto. Just wondering. I freaking love this car. I love this right here. This brings back driving to me, makes driving enjoyable and something that I want to do, because I don't know, okay, so I have ADHD, I like to fidget, I've got to be doing something, and I get to listen to the engine, I get to see the RPMs, I get to feel, I get to make all the decisions of like, okay, I'm in third gear right now, ignore that the car's telling me to put it in fifth, but I'm like, okay, I'm going up this hill right here, maybe I want it to be in this lower gear so that I can have the RPM so I don't bog down the engine, or I just want to pass somebody, you know? Earlier, the light was turning yellow, I was in second gear, I held out second gear a little bit longer than I normally would have because I wanted to gain that extra speed. And you know, I absolutely love this car, and I love manuals, and I love being able to tell my car what to do. I'm at 25 miles an hour, I'm in neutral, I'm going up a hill, what gear should I be in at this time, you know? And just all these things going through my head at all time, just always thinking about something when driving. Some people don't want that. Some people want to just put it in drive and forget about it. And I do respect that. And that's why manuals are being phased out and less of them are existing. And that's fine. I mean, to me, it's not, because it makes me want to enjoy driving, and I can't do that in an automatic. But it's just the way we're going in today's world. And, you know, I may have very well bought in the last year that they make the manual, you know? This could be the last year that the manual is available in the Forte GT. Probably not, but they did stop it in the 2023 Elantra N. You know, you have to get a 2022 Elantra N to get a 6-speed manual. So there's a prime example of, do people want a manual in the car or not? And to me, it's yes. I absolutely enjoy the living hell out of it. This is not a parking spot. I didn't have a backup camera before. This is my first car with a backup camera. It's really nice. Oh, interesting. I can get like a top down. I didn't even know that. What's this one? That's normal. Oh, so there's two options. I wonder if it's like an edited view, like if it's if it's this camera, but they've like done some software tricks. Huh. Anyways. This car is something else. Anyways, that wraps it up. I just love this car.